So now guys, we start the tutorial. Go to the Chrome browser, type KeniMaster mode digit bin. Then select KeniMaster APK latest version. Don't choose KeniMaster mode APK. Make sure that you get the correct logo of KeniMaster, and then you scroll down and click download. After clicking download, it shows different versions of KeniMaster, so it depends on your phone compatibility. So guys, if you encounter exporting problem, now you can choose to load KeniMaster old version. So same what I encounter, I load latest version and it's failed to export, maybe because of my phone compatibility, and now I choose the old version of the KeniMaster. So before installing that guys, make sure that the KeniMaster you already installed on your phone, make sure that you uninstalled first before doing this installation for the new KeniMaster without watermark.
While waiting for the installation guys, we're gonna play some music. Here we go.
Hello guys, KeniMaster app installed. Click open. After clicking open, KeniMaster displayed. Click allow on that side and click allow again. So, and shows run analysis now, so click run analysis now guys. So it's required to click the run analysis guys, so that we can check the hardware performance on your system. And as you can see guys, please do not turn off KeniMaster while analysis is in progress, or while the performance is in progress. So please do not turn off guys your KeniMaster apps. So we're gonna wait guys, we're almost on the half of the program analysis. We're almost complete. One more step guys. There you go. Now click OK. Click the plus sign. After clicking the plus sign, select aspect ratio 16:9. So now guys, it's done. As you can see on the top of the corner, there's no watermark in the right top corner. So guys, thank you for watching. If this tutorial gives you a positive results, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial to others. And if you have any comments, just write down below. So thank you guys for watching.